I learned everything that I needed to start and bring my Amazon FBA business from zero to multiple six figures a year right here on YouTube. Does that mean that you should not get an Amazon FBA course? Not necessarily. They are not worthless and they may actually help you a lot depending on your situation. In today's video, I'm going to talk a little bit about that, about what could make an Amazon FBA course worth it and some reasons why you maybe, depending on your situation, you should not get a course, because it really depends, right? If you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon right here on YouTube. And so if this is something that you want to see more of, like this video and subscribe to the channel to not miss any videos. So an Amazon FBA course can be worth it depending on your situation, depending on where you are with your business right now, how much you know about the business and how much money you have available. Okay, the main reason why an Amazon FBA course may be helpful to you is if you do not have a lot of time and you want to basically go fast through the learning process, okay? Because if we are being honest, you can learn everything that you need to on YouTube. And back when I started, it was a little bit harder. But today, with all the videos that I released, and once again, I'm not ashamed to say, I'm one of the people that help the community a lot, because I basically have a video on everything that you need to start an Amazon FBA business. And if you have watched every single one of my videos, if you've taken notes from them and you actually started taking action, you are on your way. You have everything that you need to build a seven-figure Amazon FBA business, okay? Everything that you need is in my videos. The thing is that, first, you do not know which information you need and in which order. That's the first thing. And the second thing is that I have a ton of content, and some of the content is more directed towards advanced sellers, some of the content is directed towards beginners, so you do not necessarily know what you need in what order. And so for that reason, if you want to learn fast, if you want to fast track your way to actually learn this business and start fast, the best way, the easiest way, if you know anything at all, the best way is to actually get a course. You learn those basics fast and you start your business fast. Now, the thing is that, and you've heard, like, there's a lot of people that actually buy those courses that actually already know enough to start their business, but that do not take action because of information paralysis, okay? You think that you always need more information to start, while it is not true. What you will hear from most people that actually buy courses, from well-known people in the community, is that there's not that many stuff. They've watched all the videos from the beginning and there's not that much stuff that is actually new in the course. Most of the stuff is stuff that is discussed on YouTube, you know? And so if you've already started if you've already consumed a lot of content, buying a course is not going to get you ready, okay? Because this business is actually quite easy. There's not that much stuff to know, okay? You know the basics, you know about sales ranks, you know how to source, you know a couple of sourcing strategies. You have everything that you need to actually start this business. You do not need anything else. A course is not going to replace that. A course is just going to make the learning process faster if you start from zero. If you already have some knowledge, it may not necessarily be you know, something that is going to tip the balance for you. No, it also depends on how much time you have available, because if you, as I said, you could watch every single one of my videos and you have everything that you need. Once again, I do not have a course to sell you, but like my videos are free. I have a ton of videos, but nobody, like everybody does not have all the time. You may have a 9 to 5, all that stuff. And so in that case, it may not be feasible for you to watch all the videos, take notes on everything. And so in that case, you may need to get a course that will be way more concise, by the way, because they will go, like, the things that they will give you all the information that you need to start, and you will not have, you know, a lot of the thing that is around that you would learn around if you actually watched all my videos will not be detailed, you know, because a course is less hours of videos, it's not that extensive. It goes over the, like, basically what a course is going to do is it's going to give you a plan to follow. It is going to spoon feed you some information, the information that you need to start and to start selling successfully. But if you've watched a ton of video, and this is really the point I'm trying to make with this video, if you've already watched a ton of content on YouTube, if you've watched the right content, right? Because you may have stumbled upon bad content, bad information that are going to slow you down. But if you've watched the right information, you've started taking action, and you started, you started already you started your business, you started taking action, you started trying to source and sell products, a course is not going to help you, okay? At that point, if you really need some help, what you are going to need is a mentor. First, some mentorship, and secondly, you are going to need to build a network to learn with a network, okay? Easiest way to build a network, we have a Discord server. Come on a Discord server, start being active, talk to people, ask questions, answer questions, and soon enough people will recognize you, and you will start having friends in the community, and you will learn a lot by creating small masterminds with people that you meet online. About selling on Amazon, if you talk to them every day, talk about the deals that you find, all that stuff, share some deals, talk about stuff. Like you can put multiple people experience together and you will learn way faster, okay? That's the first thing. The second thing, at that point, if you want to grow fast, get a mentor to actually help you with the issues that you are facing. If you want to spend your money is going to be better spent this way. And in that case, I have something for you. I have group mentorship and I have one-on-one coaching. More information with the link below. There's a link that will bring you to a page where I have videos that explain all the mentorship options that I offer. Okay, I have a group mentorship that is closed right now. There's no availability, but you can apply. You get on a call with me, and we'll see if you're a potential fit for the next group that I'm going to open. Or if you want to start now, I have one-on-one coaching. Okay, I have one-on-one coaching where you can come, ask everything, and we will build you a plan to actually a custom-made plan for you. And it's actually cheaper than a course, by the way. But yeah, it's going to be a custom plan for you to actually reach your goals, okay? So this is what can really help you, and a course in that case will not help you. A course will help you if you are a beginner, you are starting from zero, and you are going to get some value. So in that case, yes, a course may be worth it. If not, if it's not the case for you, you are going to waste a lot of time, you are going to waste some money that you could have invested. And by the way, do not go with, getting mentorship, getting one-on-one coaching, getting a course, even a course, if you do not have a lot of money. If you do not have a lot of money, it's actually better for you to actually go work, by the way. Go and work to save some money and invest that money in inventory to learn, okay? It's better for you to, because if you spend all your money in a course, if you spend all your money in mentorship and all that stuff, and you have no money left to invest in inventory, it is not going to serve you any purpose. Okay, it is not going to serve you any purpose at all. You still need experience. Experience is going to be the most important thing. Okay, so yeah, hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, and watch this video if you want to learn how to actually find profitable products to sell on Amazon. Thank you for watching.